I don't know if this is shooting the video in black and white or not. I am viewing this in black and white on the screen. Maybe let's not touch the screen. I'm not in focus, am I? Oh yes, I am. So basically, I am viewing this in black and white. What's happening is that I'm working at 9 a.m. this morning, and it's 8 because I'm too early, which is half on purpose, so that I could take photos in Greenwich before going to work, because I'm working in Greenwich. I want to do more black and white photography, so I've turned my camera in black and white mode, like the viewing mode, but I'm not sure, like I know that some camera, because you take raw photos, are going to show you the photos in black and white, but then when you put them on your laptop they are in like normal raw mode, not black and white. So I'm not sure what it's going to show on the laptop. I'm pretty sure that I can just modify them anyway if I want to put them in color again after. But yeah, so basically taking some photos. This is heavy. God, I've been using the GoPro lately to film myself, which is way lighter than this. This is not the heaviest thing, but still, I'm sorry for all the shaking and stuff. So yeah, basically just taking some black and white photos this morning. And there's the cul-de-sac just right there, which is a part of the Royal Museum's Greenwich, and that you can visit during the day. So yeah, it seemed a good idea in order to take better black and white photos to actually turn the camera in black and white mode, because it's really a two-way of seeing. And to be honest, I think it's a good idea anyway, black and white or not, because it's a way to not be distracted by color. So like even for color photos, if I want later to actually turn them in like normal mode, color photo basically, because this way you're not distracted by the color, you're really focusing on the shapes and on the contrast in terms of light, shadows and highlights and all that. So yeah, I think it's globally a good idea. So that's Royal Naval College, I think. You can actually go under there, under the Thames there, but you have to walk. It's not for cars. That's the Queen's house.